I'm here to discuss the difference between a CFO and a CPA. The lines seem to get very blurry between these two individuals, and I just want to give some clarification. Some CPAs are CFOs. They decide to go into what they call private. But to be a CFO, you do not have to be a CPA. You have to have the skill sets. A CFO is a person inside a corporation or a business entity who's responsible for the financial growth and finances of the company, of the entity. Their focus is learning the history of the company, seeing how it operates, and then developing policies and budgets and other analytical plans to help the company grow and sustain growth in the future. They do this by monitoring statements, analyzing financial statements and other reports, and then adjusting policies and procedures as necessary. It's more of a sort of forward-looking view of the company. A CPA, or certified public accountant, is not inside the company. He is someone who provides services to an entity as an independent contractor. CPAs focus more on the company's financial reporting. Their job is to attest for audits that the numbers being presented, the financial results of operations, are free of material misstatement and have proper policies and procedures to ensure that, and that the company is adhering to those policies and procedures. They do tax compliance. As everybody knows, April 15th, everybody goes up. We got to go visit our accountant. It's time to help us do our tax returns. That's traditional. And they help with some tax strategies. But their focus is really on financial reporting. It's not necessarily on helping a company to grow, although they can do that if asked, but it's really on the reporting and the assurance on the numbers that are being presented, the financial statements. They also can help companies with compliance, which also blurs the line because internally the CFO is responsible for the corporate compliance, meaning all the laws, regulations the company has to comply with. The two are just completely different focuses on what the company's doing. Just to reiterate, the difference of the two, a CFO and a CPA, is their thrust. One is internal, working with the company to help it grow in a more forward-looking view, and the CPA is there to ensure that the information that the company is generating is free of material misstatements so they can make these important decisions. And that's it.